This will be a video showing you how to set up a uChat server and a uChat client to connect with each other and to chat. So the software is made by Dynaform Software. For the most part, everything we have on here is made by us. We got the uChat page here. We won't be having any downloads up until anywhere from December 25th to sometime in January. Depends. But let's run through this page real quick. Let's see. And we'll have the video on how to set it up. Well, the video embedded from YouTube somewhere down here in this video. But how to get started is you need to first know your local IP address. So on a different network, go ahead and bring up Word here. You got the 192.168.1.x. This is local. And if you're out on the whole wide web, you have something like 30.60.90.10 or something similar to that. This one is provided throughout, let's say you have a wireless router or a network hub. You get these for each client computer. You get these for, you have one of these, but you may have more than one of these. This one you might get from Comcast or Charter or whoever you have. And whenever you connect to a site, they find your IP address. But how to set up the server is you can get access to the uChat server from a client on the local and the World Wide Web. First, to make sure you can get other people on your same local network to connect, you need to find your local computer IP address of this. So press the Windows key plus R and type in CMD, or you can go into Start and type in CMD, your choice. And this does work on Windows XP as well. But you type in ipconfig. Here you find your Ethernet local area connection, or your wireless, or whatever you have you want preferred connected. So I'm 192.168.1.13. This is my local. Write this down, so I'll go ahead and change in here. 192.168.1.13. Now you have to connect in uChat to get this started. So I'll go ahead and start out by going to uChat server, and I'll go ahead and just start it at port 2080. You can change this if you want. But this is local, and once you forward the port forward for this number on your network hub, the whole entire internet can access it. So at this day and time, no one can access and do it. Now, you see, how can I do this? I wanted to do this on a different computer, but our server doesn't have network before, so I can't show you. But I'll just type in 192.168.1.13 and then connect. So you're connected. This is local only. This is not the whole internet. And you can go ahead and chat and say hello. Then you can go back to the server and you see it says user said hello. And you also get the connection from the other local IP address. So 0.14, 0.15, 0.8, whatever. You can go ahead and stop the server here. Just go ahead and disconnect. Always make sure you disconnect. Now you have to go back to finding the www. So to do that, open your web browser and you can go to what is my IP.com, and it shows your IP address. I'm just gonna block this so no one can get into it. But you have multiple sets of 1, 2, or 3 digit numbers. Just gotta pop up here. So to get this forwarded, you need to go into your router. So in most cases it's 192.168.1.1. Then go to port forwarding on the side. You might find something similar if you're on a Linksys router or any other name brand. You can hide these so you can't find them. You see I have uChat server public. I have it port 2080, so I'll go ahead and edit service. Now here's where you have to get the local IP address, which is 0.13 here. You need to add that there, and then for your port you can have this be 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, but the default's just 2080, and that's in the server what the default is. So if you change that, make sure you change it. Let's do a quick example here. 1, 2, 3, 4. just make sure you change it in here to 1, 2, 3, 4 for both starting and ending. Then you should be good to go with your, in this case, www address back in the server after you start it. So 2080. And because I don't have to do IP address. By the way, here's where you would enter the www address, the digits and numbers as well, or you can have subdomains if you have it fire services or something else. So click connect here, and you're connected. This is through the whole internet. So let's say your school computers have Net Framework 4. Go on to here, and you can type in the server IP and username report, and you will be connected and you can have all your friends chat at school. This is very helpful if you want to get away through the school firewall or whatever. Just as long as they don't block the port 2080 for incoming or outcoming in some cases as well. So that's just how to set up uChat server, and I hope you guys like uChat and use it as a free, quick and easy chatting server for your public or personal needs. So I'll talk to you guys later, and good luck setting up the server.